Happy birthday, Jesus.
Oh, how cute.
And that's it.
Oh,
Okay, why are you shaking your head, Nick?
Nick, your favorite.
And what was your favorite gift? No favorite? Did you have a wonderful time?
Nick, come on.
Say something.
You like the gun you got?
Who gave you the gun? Ah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All of my presents were wonderful. Thank you, everybody.
And John.
Happy Halloween. It's about everything. Cartoons.
Did you say Halloween?
Yes, he did.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
And
Merry Christmas.
Desi, Merry Christmas.
Happy Halloween.
And is this your Christmas gift?
Yes. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Merry Kwanzaa, and Happy New Year.
And are you going to introduce your new friend here? Abby?
Yeah.
How old is he?
She.
She.
I'm not sure. Okay.
Merry Christmas, Uncle. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Sarah. I wish you were here. We're missing you.
Yes, and John, did you say?
Yeah, he said Happy
I
Halloween.
know. All right. Dad, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you forgot that.
Merry Christmas.
You forgot that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and thank you for coming to our place for Christmas. We'll see you next year.
Yes.
Oh, thanks for dinner, Uncle Wes. Merry Christmas. Always good.
And Auntie Connie.
And con tooth, yeah.
And Gavin, Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Sound cool.